Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to have you here today as we delve into the fascinating world of deployment strategies. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Alright, let's jump right in. Deploying your application to production is a critical step in the software development process. It's essential to ensure a smooth deployment that doesn't cause downtime or disrupt your users. That's where deployment strategies come into play. In today's video, we'll explore 4 popular deployment strategies: Recreate, Rolling Update, Canary, and Blue/Green. Each strategy offers unique benefits and caters to different scenarios. By understanding these strategies, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions when deploying your applications. So, without further ado, let's dive right into our first deployment strategy: Recreate. The Recreate strategy involves completely replacing the existing version of your application with the new version. It's a quick and straightforward approach but comes with a potential downside that is downtime. During the deployment process, your application may be temporarily unavailable. This strategy best suits applications where downtime is acceptable or can be mitigated with failover mechanisms. Now, let's move on to the Rolling Update strategy. Rolling Update allows for a smooth and gradual transition from the old version to the new version of your application. Instead of simultaneously taking down the entire application, the new version is deployed to a subset of servers or instances while the old version continues to serve traffic. This process continues gradually until all instances are running the new version. Rolling updates minimize downtime and allow for easy rollback if any issues arise during the deployment. Next up is the Canary strategy. Canary deployments are named after the canaries used in coal mines to detect harmful gases. Similarly, a Canary release in software deployment involves deploying the new version to a small subset of users or servers and monitoring its performance. This allows you to gather feedback and detect any issues before rolling out the new version to the entire user base. Canary deployments are great for risk mitigation and ensuring a smooth transition for your users. Lastly, let's explore the Blue/Green strategy. The Blue/Green strategy involves maintaining 2 separate environments. The blue environment represents the existing stable version of your application, and the green environment represents the new version. Initially, all traffic is directed to the blue environment. Once the green environment is ready, you can seamlessly switch the traffic from blue to green. You can easily switch back to the blue environment if any issues occur. Blue/Green deployments provide high confidence and allow for quick rollbacks if needed. And that concludes our exploration of these 4 essential deployment strategies: Recreate, Rolling Update, Canary, and Blue/Green. We hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of each strategy's purpose and benefits. Remember, choosing the right deployment strategy depends on various factors, such as tolerance for downtime, risk mitigation, and the ability to roll back changes if necessary. Take the time to assess your application's requirements and select the strategy that aligns best with your goals. If you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific deployment strategy, please don't hesitate to comment below. We value your feedback and are here to support you on your software development journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues who might benefit from learning about deployment strategies. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on various topics in the world of technology. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy coding and successful deployments.